Russian.
Das ist Sonja.
English and unfortunately
In Russian?
Yeah.
Greetings from Kiev, Ukraine, a country that's currently under attack by the Russian invaders. However, if you look around this square here, things look quite normal. People are out and about, walking around. There's a normal amount of traffic. There isn't any sirens, practically no indication that there is a war right now, but just a few hundred kilometers away, there are active battles happening in this very moment. But since things are so normal, like you would see in any other normal European city, I'm gonna go around, I'm gonna ask the people here, instead of talking about the war, I'm gonna ask them a fun question, a simple question: how many languages do they speak? So join in this video as we go around, we meet as many Ukrainians as we can. How many languages do you speak?
I speak 4 languages.
4 languages. What are the 4?
Ukrainian, Russian, English and Spanish.
Spanish, cool.
Yes.
Can you say something in Spanish?
Te quiero.
Yeah. Nice. And what did you say?
I love you.
Thank you. I thought it was te amo. Te amo?
Te amo, sí,
Yeah.
también.
También,
Sí,
yeah.
igual.
Okay, well, thanks so much.
For that we're fighting.
How many languages do you speak?
Only 3.
3, yeah. What are the
so
3?
it's English, Ukrainian, and Russian.
Okay.
Yeah.
And which one do you speak the best?
Russian, I suppose to, because I actually lived in eastern part of the Ukraine, so it's a Kharkiv, and most of the population in the Kharkiv speaks Russian. So because of that, yeah. But I also practicing my English right now. So.
You speak it well. Can you say something in Russian right now?
Привет, как дела?
Okay.
Something like that.
What did you say?
Hi, how are you doing?
Nice. Okay, well, thanks so much for your time. Three?
Ukrainian, English and unfortunately
In Russian?
Yeah.
Cool. And what about you?
3 languages.
Oh, English too? Yeah.
Russian, unfortunately, and English some.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Yeah. З клятої країни, з клятими думками, які отримає на горіхи.
What does that mean?
Stupid guy in stupid country, and he will kick his nuts,
Kick his
something like this.
Awesome, I love it. Okay, well, thanks for your time. What do you speak?
I speak 3 languages. Ukrainian, my native language.
Yeah.
Russian, and English.
So?
Yeah.
Can you say something in Ukrainian and then translate it for me?
Хочу побажати всім гарного вечора. I want to wish for everybody a nice evening. Have a nice evening.
I speak 2 language very well. It's Ukrainian and my native language, Russian, and a little bit English.
Can you say something in Ukrainian for me?
Вітаю всіх співвітчизників з Днем Незалежності. Бажаю нам наснаги, хоробрості і бажаю нам єдності.
Okay. And what did you say?
Okay, I say congratulations my people with the day of Independent Day, and I say him be strong, be friendly, and be some
Brave,
happiness.
resilient,
Yes,
happy.
yes, it's.
Okay, thank you for your time, Jaku. How many languages do you speak?
English, Ukrainian, and a little bit German.
German?
A little bit.
Can you say something in German?
Ja, hallo, wie geht's?
Wunderbar. And what did you say?
Hello, how are you?
Okay. What languages do you speak?
The same.
The same?
Ukrainian, English, and a little bit of German.
Okay, can you say something in German too?
Say something about me, for example. Das ist,
Das ist Tonya.
das ist deine Freund.
Meine Freund.
Ja, nur deine.
Meine Freundin.
Okay, thanks so much.
I speak English, Ukrainian, German, a little bit. Yes, I think. Yeah, English, Ukrainian, German. I think that's all. Yeah. So I know Russian, but I don't want to speak.
Can you say something in German?
Ich bin Alina, ich bin 21 Jahre alt. Ich lebe in Ukraine.
Okay.
My name is Alina, I am 21 and I live in Ukraine. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Shooting. So
You're filming a dance video?
Yeah.
In front of the giant Ferris wheel?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's cool.
I know 3 languages, but right now I only speak 2 of them, and I'm currently learning a 4th language, and I know a bit of sign language.
Okay, so which languages do you know?
I know Ukrainian, English, I also know Russian, but I don't speak it.
Of course.
And I learned Korean.
You say something in Korean?
안녕하세요. 저는 옌입니다. 반갑습니다.
Okay, what did you say?
I said hello, my name is Yen, it's nice to meet you.
Okay, well thanks for your time. Okay, I think I'm gonna end the video here. As you can see, it's pretty dark out, and obviously it's difficult, you know, filming videos in the dark, but here's a giant Ferris wheel, and as you can see, the city is quite lively and people are out and about doing their thing. The city is vibrant even though it's at war. It gives me hope in this country, and it gives me hope in that this conflict will hopefully end soon, and you know, Ukraine can go back to being a normal and prosperous country again. So thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Cheers.